If you have a folder full of bathroom photos, you already know the feeling. Every one of them looks great, and not one of them tells you what to do in your own bathroom. So let me take some of the pressure off. There is no single best bathroom idea. There's only the one that fits how you actually live. Run any idea through a few honest questions. Does anyone in the house actually take baths? Do two of you get ready at the same time on a weekday? Are you planning to stay in this home for the long haul? Answer those and the right choices usually get obvious. Spend first on what you touch every day. The shower, the vanity, the lighting. Let me tell you about a couple, Rich and Julie. Their list was the usual one, replace the tub, maybe a new vanity, but the tub wasn't the problem. The room was built around two cramped zones with a band of dead space between them. So we didn't simply change the fixtures, we changed the floor plan. Same four walls and a room that finally fit how they live. That's the whole idea. A bathroom is one room working together. So the number that matters is the whole project, not any single fixture. And we will tell you the truth about what is worth it for your home, even when it's not what you're hoping to hear. When you're ready, we are here. So relax. You're in safe hands.